You're welcome in physical education class. Today I'm going to take my physical education class with 10th class. So I'm waiting for the students. Still they did not apply, joined, waiting. One has come. Please switch on your microphone. Voice is coming from your side.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Akshara.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning. Please switch on your camera also, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
पागल हो गए।
Please switch on your camera, beta. I don't want to repeat again and again. Otherwise, I will remove from here. Will not opening the camera. Please switch off your microphone. Voice is coming from your side. So many you have not switched off. And switch on your camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are on the screen. Okay, those are visible on the screen.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So how are you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. You all are all right? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. See, we have completed the okay, we have completed the chapter safety in sports. All the injuries we have discussed. Today, new chapter that is prevention of injuries. It is also important injuries. Many things we already discussed. What kind of first aid we use during the injury time. So now point is come how to cure yourself. So few things already given here. So first point that is warming up and cooling down in your book. Warming up and cooling down. Who's are playing, who's are related already in games, and suppose they know what is warming up. So warming up is a beta, please switch off your camera Rahul, Tanmay, your, even the parents' voice also coming. And who's are not opening the camera, I'm going to remove. I will not repeat again. Okay, so today topic is warming up. You know, those are already familiar with the games, who's are playing games and sports. You know, they know what is warming up. Importance of warming up. It's very special. Sometime we feel it does not count warming up. Directly we play. But see the responses comes after few minutes, after 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 10 year. Okay. So first thing, what is warming up? Warming is a pre-task activity before the competition. It is called the pre-task activity, and it is a short-term method. It's a part of the training. This is short-term training method, and it's a preparation for the competition. At least we must spend 20 minutes in warming up. It prepares. 2 points are important for warming up: physiological preparation and psychological preparation. Psychological preparation is also important as well as physiological preparation. You know, warming up is a pre-task activity. It this prepares itself. Okay. Now see, physiological preparation means related to your, it increases the body temperature. Slowly it increases the body temperature, and it helps to adjust with the climatic condition. Generally what happens when we start the game, we are in relaxed mood, or directly if we are playing to we can meet an injury, any injury. We can suffer from any injury. So slowly and gradually is increases the blood circulation in the body, and it provides the proper fuel to the heart, and heart easily can adjust with the climatic condition. Different types of climatic condition in games and sports. We are playing in all seasons. So according to the, especially in the winter season, we must, you know, spend time at least 30 minutes. Then body becomes warm. Okay. Now see few points. Types of warming up. If you have a book here, so it is already given here. First, types of warming: psychological warming up and physiological warm up. Psychological warm up. See, so many you are coming and going, then removing. So don't do it. Once you have opened the camera, please be here only. And who's are not going to switch on their camera, I'm going to remove from here also. No use to take online classes if I cannot interact with you. So many times we are spending, we are, wasting our time to say, please open the camera. Within I, or see the, I'll remove from here if you are not able to open the camera. You all are looking good, no problem. Okay. So we were talking about the warming up. It's two types: psychological and physiological warm up. You can note down psychological and physiological warm up. So see the, and then physiological divide in active and passive warming. Active and passive warm up. And another one is active divided in general warming up and specific warm up. So first we just discuss the psychological warm up. It is very important, psychological warm up. Psychological warm up, preparation of mind. You can adjust with yourself. Preparation of mind. First, you will not prepare yourself. You cannot prepare to your body also. So 2 points important for psychological preparation. First, which is comes high level motivation. Psychological warm up is divided in two categories. First, high level motivation. So high level motivation is, it is important to provide the proper guidance to the player how to do the warm up, who's are not ready to do it, their advantages, their benefits. We'll discuss later on benefits also. Second, general motivation. It's provide the proper guideline of the competition. What should you you what should you do in a during the game? Psychological motivation. Generally, what happens? Why it is important psychological warm up? Because these points we already discussed. In general play or competition, lots of difference. If you are playing, suppose you are playing in Siberia or in another area in friendly mood, so no psychological pressure on you. When you come to the competition time, you can take example from your exams also or tests. Lots of difference when you are come to the examination hall. When you entered in the examination hall, lots of agitation. So here it builds the temperament. So it is important match temperament. Match temperament is very, very important. Then you can play. Otherwise, what happens? Agitation, nervousness comes and player unable to perform well. So psychological pressure removed by the motivations. How we will move? Little bit focus only on the strategy of game, not about the opponents. You will concentrate only that. So definitely you will away from the other agitations. So you can perform. Another second, these are two. High level motivation important for them who are playing international or national level for them. Another point comes which is here, specific. Okay, now second, physiological warm up. Physiological warm up is which is related to your body fitness. When we start the physiological warm up, then slowly and gradually increases the body temperature and it adjusts with the climatic condition, and it just keep off from the fatigue. It just keep off from the fatigue also. And second thing, very less chance of injuries, and it adjusts with the stroke volume. We discussed, I think, this volume, output volume, stroke volume. So it adjusts with the stroke volume. Physiological, it is a physiological preparation, and this physiological preparation gives the confidence. Okay, now this is physiological, and physiological is preparation. This warm up is divided another in two categories. This is active and passive. Active and passive mode. It is important. If question comes, generally, no, I'm telling according to 8 marks question. This topic is already in 12th class also, 11th class also, now in your also. So here will be a short. So that's why I'm telling in details. Okay. Now second point, passive or active. Passive and active warm up. Passive which is not related to the physiological or any physical activity. Without physical activity, when we are increasing our body temperature, there are lots of methods. Generally, these methods apply in many games, especially the golf, chess. Okay, even sometimes they use in PT also. So that means, and how it increases. First point, which is important for passive massage, passive warm up, massage, body massage. Body massage, it is a method to provide oiling massage to the whole body before the competition. So what happens after massage? Body comes in a preparation mode, increases body temperature after massage. Okay, that's why who's are playing in the national international level, they go for the massage also before competition. Second method, sauna bath. It is called the sun bath also. They can sit in sun for few minutes. Okay, and then they can steam bath. Steam bath, generally who takes this, again I am telling, for international or national levels. Okay, now steam bath, it is a cabin. They use steam, lots of steam. So slowly it increases the temperature of the body also. Lots of sweating comes during the time, during the sauna bath, steam bath. So what happens? Pores of the body, it opens up. Then it's provide the strength to the body. Preparation. Hot beverages. Hot beverages means they take the hot coffees, black coffee. They can provide the hot coffee, black coffee, and other hot beverages. Okay, which increase the not liquor or intoxicants. It is also comes in sometime hot beverages, but it is not required. It is not allowed to take, especially for the sports person. Another point, steam bath, sauna bath, we have discussed two more few points here. That is, especially in the high altitude areas or winter season, we can wear heavy clothes. We can wear heavy clothes. Heavy clothes means they can wear now warm clothes for some time. So much heavy clothes or warm clothes you can wear. Then slowly what happens, and you can sit there. Player can sit there. No need to run here and there. After automatically increases the body temperature, lots of sweatings. Then he can start for the activities. Another point, it is, you can note down this terminology, diathermy. It is the diathermy. Diathermy is a scientific method to increase the body temperature. Again, I am telling, boxers and many more, they are using diathermy. Diathermy. You know what happens in diathermy? Electrical heat supply in the body through the machine. Have you seen? Sometime we use the electric blankets, especially in the winter time. Especially in the winter time, we are using electric blanket. It is same here. It's through the machines. They provide the heat up the body. They can sit. They can wear belt. They can wear the jackets, and it is through the electricity they provide the heat in the body, and it is good massage for the body also. So this is, it comes in a passive category. It comes in a passive category. Now, what is passive category? All these. So you can mention passive warm up. Generally, again, I am telling, golf players you can mention. Okay, especially the golf players, even the rugby players. Sometimes not rugby player also they use it directly when they are coming. Okay, and derby matches in polo also they use this method. So many are just Okay. Now another point, come to the active point. Active. You can see in the book also. And active journal and this active method, it is general and specific. Please switch off your microphone. Your voice is coming here. Ajay Bist, your camera is already on, not on, and your microphone already is on, or your mother's voice also coming here. Please switch off. Otherwise, leave the class also. Yatin Pade, voice is coming, beta. It doesn't look good. If sometime what happens, problems created by your background. Please, again, I am saying, then I will start again topic. So, switch on your camera. Ajay Bist and Hitarsa, please switch off your microphone. Your microphone is already on. I can see on the screen. Okay, now active and active, it is divided in two categories, general warm-up and specific warm-up. General warm-up, we just do with the help of wrong running, short running, jogging, jumping, stretching exercises, and many more methods. And through the circuit training. Circuit training means it just conduct in a circle. When we conduct all the exercise running events in circuit, that is called the circuit training. So it's a very easiest method to provide the warm-up. 20 to 30 minutes body becomes warmed up and player is already ready to play. Please keep switch on your camera already in whole class. Sometime is going coming, it doesn't look good. Okay, now general warm-up, again I am telling general warm-up. Generally, when we start the general warm-up, question comes of 2 marks or 3 marks. What is how to prepare, or you can say how to do general warming up. So simply you can write general warm-up always start with the slow running or jogging, slow running and jogging, and slowly and gradually we can increase the speed when player feels body little bit warmed up, so he can go for the stage next stage exercise. And exercise always starts from jumping, slow jump and high jump, spot jump, round jump. Round jump means will jump and rotate the body in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. They know very well who came for the basketball practice. I did with you also. Okay, so this is the method. Then exercises. So it is comes first rotations. You can mention the rotation exercise. There are 7 joints in our body, especially. This is the according to sports methodology. 7 joints always, and these exercise must be in a sequence, top to bottom or bottom to top. You know, top, what is neck? So it is, you can start the exercise from neck rotation in a clockwise, neck rotation. Then come to the shoulder, arm rotation. These are, then this exercise for the elbow, then wrist, then come to the torso portion. This is the waist, trunk rotation, then knee, and last go to the downside, that is ankle rotation. This is exercise, it's provide. It must be in the sequence and in proper mode, clockwise or anti-clockwise. If you are doing the 10 times, same repetition, 10 times towards the anti-clockwise. Okay, another points for general warm-up, come to the stretching exercises in a standing position. Then go to the another one. You can bending exercises. Some bending exercises, then go to the downside floor exercises. Some floor exercise. Again come back. Jumping exercises, stretching exercise. Then you can participate in any competition. But it should be in it must be in a perfect time, in schedule, 20 minutes to 30. It must be finished in 20 to 30 minutes without taking any break. Main purpose, main method of this exercise, warming up without taking break continuously. Even the 1 second, you cannot take 1 second break also. Change, one exercise finished, second I go for the second station. So this is the method. Now come to the another point, that is specific exercise, which is related only the games. Generally, when you are with the team, you are sitting, then 15 or 20 minutes player always spend in the warm up. Okay, match has already started. Suppose match is going to start, and you are sitting in the substitution bench as a extra player. You are waiting for your wait for just few minutes. Just wait for 1 minute only. Some are disturbing here, so I'm just okay. So right method, specific related to activity. Suppose you are playing basketball. Okay, so you will do the warm up, specific warm up related to the skill. Suppose 2.5 steps, continuous, at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes, continue without taking break. You can start alone this exercise. So when you will start this exercise, so what happens? Two benefits. One, body will prepare for the competition, and you will be learning the skills. That means slowly and gradually, definitely perfection will come in your skill. You can perform more better. So this is the specific. So, question comes of 2 marks or 3 marks. Again, I am telling, write the name of the exercises which is related to specific warming up. So specific warming up, that is, first you can write down a basketball. So some skill practice, dunk shot. If you are able to take the dunk shot, you start with the dunk shot. Dribble, zigzag dribble. 5 minutes you can take the ball, do the dribble here and then. It is called the zigzag dribble. And another method, layup shot practice. Now come another football, wall practice. Wall practice means keep the ball on the ground and shoot on the wall. Ball will come, rebound from there. So again you can shoot. So at least 5 to 10 minutes without taking break, continuously you can shoot the ball. So what will happen? It will provide you perfect coordination of the skill. Come to the cricket, ball practice after football. Another point, heading practice. Dribble with head. Keep in your control ball on your head continuously. So definitely it will be build up. Now juggling. Juggling means keep the ball in air by balancing of your body parts without help of the hand, especially in the football, juggling with the foot. 5 minutes, do it. Okay. Now come to the cricket point. This is cricket. Dummy practice, dummy ball practice. Without, you don't have a ball. Even you are watching in the IPL also. So you can take the ball and just without practicing, take run up and do the same for the batsman. You can hold the bat. Suppose you don't have even the bat, so you can just make a grip. You just imagine and do the practice. Right, left, right. But one point is very important here. Without any break. If you will take break, so no use of this warm up, specific warm up. Specific warm up we have start only before the few minutes before the activity. So hope this is you will understand this topic, and many more topics are here in this warm up. Now another question also comes here, important. Write the method of passive warm up. Write the how to use passive warm up. So you mention you can then have body massage, sauna bath, steam bath. Okay. And sun bath, little bit difference in sun bath and sauna bath. And another point, this is important, hot beverages you can mention, and thermi you can mention, which is electric heat up the body. And another important question also comes here. Why warm up is important and before the competition? Why and what? Lots of difference. Always you confused why and what. Why warm up is important before the competition? What is the importance? Different. It increases the blood flow. It increases the blood circulation. It provides the proper fuel to the heart. It provides the proper ventilation to the lungs. But why it is important? Question comes. Why it is important? It is important because it prepares for the psychological and physiological aspects, which provide the proper coordination to the sports person, and it helps to build the neuromuscular coordination among the sports person. Simple answer. It's completed two marks question. It is completed. Okay. Now for related this, now if you have a book here, so what will you do? You can, I'll give the question to you also. You will just write there one question, how to perform warm up. One question is how to perform warm up. So you can write in your own language how to perform, and don't do the psychological, active, passive. Don't do it. How to do it. So I have already explained you how to do it. Start with the slow running, slow jogging. Jogging and slow running is different. Jogging means slow running. That is called the baby step running. It is called also the baby step running. As much as close steps you can take. If you can take close steps as much as you can take. And sometimes it seems like that it is easy, but not it is tough. You maybe fall down also. Baby steps, slow step. As much as you can go with slow process. Then gradually it may be increase. After that, you can mention one point there. Exercises, stretching exercises or jumping. Start always with the jumping exercises. When you start with the jumping, then mention the rotations, rotation exercises. Rotation exercises, mention always exercise. Start with the head to bottom. Always in sequence, start always from the head. Neck rotation, shoulder rotation, elbow, knee, wrist, then go to the ankle. Then stretching exercises you can mention. Then after that, bending. Bending exercises you can mention. Forward bending, then backward bending. If player is doing bending exercise, especially the forward bending, so it is important for that backward bending exercise. It keep the proper balance in the body. Otherwise, if you are doing all the bending exercise, not backward exercises, backward bending, definitely create the problem in your spinal cord. So it is important for that to clear their bending and forward bending and backward bending. First forward, then backward bending. Okay, and these process is called the, you can mention, calisthenic exercises. What is called calisthenic exercises? Calisthenic exercises means without using any apparatus, any object, free hand. It is called the free hand exercises, and is the best method. You know, sometime what happens, because it keeps the flexibility in the body, it keeps the endurance in the body, it increases the stamina in the body, it provides the agility in the body. It's a perfect coordination. This is called the warm up. It's a general warm up. So I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any problem, you can ask, or I'll send you the notes on this topic also. Okay, I have made the notes, and I hoping you are making the notes also. I am just hoping only. I don't think so. You are making the notes. Honestly, just tell me how many you have made a notes. You can raise the hands from there only. Chalo, Vinay is raising. Manvi, Sri Granth. What about Hitarth? Are you doing work or not? Hitarth, sir? You can. Okay, good. So, beta, if you see, if you will making notes, you don't need to go through the books. Many, 90% notes I have already made for you.